Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yam sauce only way. Start by peeling and chopping yams into even cubes, then boil until soft and drain. While yams cook, finely chop onion, garlic, and chili and measure spices. Sauté aromatics in oil until fragrant, mix in mashed yams, then add stock and simmer to blend flavors. Adjust seasoning to taste and serve warm with rice or bread. Warm your pan and toast whole spices quickly to awaken their oils, then remove them if desired. Add oil and sauté chopped onion, garlic, and chili until translucent and fragrant. Deglaze with a splash of stock to lift brown bits, then stir in mashed yams and spice mix. Let the sauce simmer gently so flavors marry, taste, and adjust salt and heat, and finish with a squeeze of citrus if you like. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love keeping a reliable water bottle nearby while cooking to stay refreshed. The one I use is compact, leak-resistant, and fits most cup holders. Check the description for that link and other deals I mentioned, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Now let's get back to the video. For serving, warm the yam sauce gently and spoon over rice, plantains, or crusty bread for a comforting meal. Garnish with chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro to add brightness and contrast. If you prefer a creamier texture, blend briefly or stir in a splash of cream or coconut milk. Cool leftovers quickly and store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a few days, reheating gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.